In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a sheet from Airtable. We're going to walk through the full process of taking data from an Airtable table, exporting it as a CSV file, and then opening it in a spreadsheet program so you can review it, format it, and save it for later use. This is useful if you want to share your data, back it up, or continue working with it outside of Airtable. To begin, open Airtable and go to the base that contains the table or sheet you want to export. Make sure you're looking at the correct table before moving on, especially if your base contains multiple sections with different types of information. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help you avoid exporting the wrong data. Next, select the specific view that contains the information you need. This part is important because Airtable exports the data from the view you're currently using. So if your view has filters, hidden fields, or a certain sorting order applied that may affect what appears in the export. If needed, quickly review the view so you know you're exporting exactly what you want. Once you're in the right view, click the View drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to settings and options related to that particular view. Look through the available choices until you find the export option. From the menu, choose Download CSV. Airtable will then generate a CSV file based on the data in your current view. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be asked where you want to save it. A CSV file is a simple spreadsheet-friendly format, which makes it easy to open in other tools. After the download is complete, open the CSV file in Excel or Google Sheets. If you're using Excel, you can usually open the file directly from your Downloads folder. If you're using Google Sheets, you can upload the CSV file and open it there. This lets you continue working with your Airtable data in a more traditional spreadsheet layout. Once the file is open, adjust the formatting if needed. For example, you may want to resize columns, update date formatting, wrap text, or make headers easier to read. Exported files are often functional right away, but a few formatting changes can make the sheet much cleaner and easier to use. Finally, save the exported sheet to your computer. If you made any formatting changes, consider saving it in the format that best fits your needs. So your edits are preserved, and that's it. That's how to export a sheet from Airtable quickly and cleanly.